The Bellairs Fringing Reef is located on the west coast of Barbados in the parish of St. James. It is part of the Folkestone Marine Reserve, which extends along the western coastline and covers over 2 square kilometers. The goal of the Folkestone Marine Reserve is to create a sanctuary for marine life while providing economic growth for the community and offering both educational opportunities and recreational activities. The Fringing Reef is located in front of the McGill Bellairs Research Institute and is located in the scientific zone of the reserve. As a result, no motorized boats are permitted.
After an analysis of the coral reef at Bellairs, it is clear that this fringing reef is very fragile and weak. A lot of the coral is dead and many others appear to be damaged or diseased. 7 benthic species were observed in our analysis of the reef. The most prevalent organisms that were found were the finger coral and blushing star coral. Some fire coral, brain coral, and lobestar coral were also present. In addition, slit pore and knobby sea rods were found.
Despite the vulnerability of the coral head at Bellairs, many fish species can be observed on the reef. Snorkelers can hear a constant ticking sound when they enter the water. The ticking is in fact the sound of parrotfish biting the coral. Many parrotfish species can be seen, including the blue parrotfish, stoplight parrotfish, and princess parrotfish. Damselfish are also quite abundant and can be spotted darting among the corals. Schools of grunts and blue tangs can also be seen on this fringing reef. Schooling is a tactic that fish use to confuse predators, facilitate mating, and move more efficiently.
The Bellairs Fringing Reef is vulnerable because a lot of the coral is diseased or dead. However, due to its designation as a scientific zone in the marine protected area, it may be able to regenerate and revitalize if more measures are taken to protect it. The large populations of finger coral and blushing star coral are not extremely susceptible to bleaching. However, they are threatened by mechanical damage, rise in water temperature, ocean acidification, violent storms, and tourism. The degradation of the reef may be caused by boat activity in the surrounding areas and the snorkelers who visit the reef. It is essential to be cautious when observing the reef to ensure that you do not damage the coral.